Got a Corsa exhaust to put on a Chevy Tahoe here. 21 C71. Yeah, it's a 21 beauty. Yeah. Oh, this? Oh, yo, this is what I need. So we having a hanger problem. This is where it goes. Look on this. You got any more of these?
No, I just thought I needed one.
Damn. That's alright. We're gonna have to make it work. So we're gonna unbolt the front section. Me and this guy, Ninja Turtle. And we're gonna unbolt it from right here somewhere and then make it work.
Thanks. And just to clarify, basically what you're saying is there is...
So he put in the rear diffuser, bolted it in here, clipped it in, it clips on. This came from Corsa? The rear diffuser? Oh, you got it from another company? We had to take the spare tire out. Look at this wide pipe. So this is it, Corsa setup, catback. It's gonna seem like it's a little far away, but that's just because it's a big truck. And when you bring it down, you'll see. But yeah, it fit up in there really nice. It's a little tight in some spots. It's a little tight here. Hopefully it doesn't touch. It's not tight here, but it is really tight around this back section. Right here. Everything else is good. Tight, tight, tight. Alright, we're gonna start it up. Bring it down and start it up. Yo, give it a little. Grab it a little.